get another one soon. I just got this one today. This one I got for Christmas. Here's the extra minifigures. Also, don't ask why this one has no mouth. I accidentally dropped both of the mouths. Yeah, so with this one. This one also doesn't have a mouth, but these ones do. These ones don't because, like I said, I just dropped the mouth. So soon there's gonna be another box over there. It's gonna be the legs. That is so these two connect to each other. And if you get all the model kits that are in the series, it'll make a giant mech. Goodbye.